Hi, and welcome to the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen, sponsored by TSET. I'm Heidi. I am here with Chef Val from OUTU School of Community Medicine. And again, like I have said before on these, I learn a ton, and I know our viewers are doing the same.
Good.
So what are you going to teach us today?
Okay, so we're making a bowl meal that is a salad, and I just want to talk to you about how many replacements we could do, and then some fun things that we're doing with some chickpeas and some cauliflower.
Perfect. Sounds good.
So easy peasy, we have some bagged baby spinach. Okay, it's already ready to go. You don't have to wash it or anything. And then some steamed or pilaf style quinoa. This could be anything. This could be barley, this could be rice, whatever. Okay. So this is just gonna go right in on top of the fresh spinach. And then we have a vinaigrette. This could be any vinaigrette you want, okay? But we made a homemade vinaigrette. This recipe will be on the website, but it's tahini, citrus juice, garlic, olive oil.
Ooh, sounds very good.
Yes, it is very good. And so it's very fresh and very light. It's gonna go right.
And I'm backing up for one quick second, because I think you said pilaf?
Pilaf.
Pilaf. Okay, because I was like, I'm the viewer here, and I'm like, I don't understand all the terms all the time, but basically I just didn't hear you correctly.
Well, just like a steamed grain of some sort is all we've really got going on.
Perfect.
Okay, so try to get everything coated. You don't want it to be drowning in salad dressing, but this looks really pretty. Okay, and so for your little beautiful salad right here.
Making it right here.
Yes. And then we have some cauliflower that we roasted with some curry powder and cumin and olive oil. Again, this could be whatever you want. This could be carrots or broccoli or onions or just anything, but something that has a little bit of color to it. Like we love. Whoops.
So bringing in some of the vegetables that we're always trying to get in our diet on a daily basis.
Yes, and so on top of this also would be a great place to put some grilled fish, grilled shrimp, seared salmon, poached salmon, whatever. Put a little more dressing on it, and then you really do have that absolutely complete meal if you are eating animal protein. And then these are some roasted chickpeas. Again, we're just kind of putting all these components together. You can sort of take it or leave it. They have olive oil, a little more curry powder, roasted in the oven until they're nice and crispy. And that's the topping for our salad.
So, and that could also be your protein option.
Yeah, absolutely.
If you chose not to do the animal protein. You could still make this a full meal with the chickpeas as well. And it's just so pretty, and this is perfect for like the spring, summer months when it's hot, you don't want to turn the oven on. Well, I guess you do a little bit depending on your vegetable, but for the most part, you're eating it, you're on the go, you can keep on going.
And it's great because you can prep all these things ahead of time, and you can go ahead and roast your whatever vegetable and then just heat it up a little bit right before you put it on your salad. Because I do like the warm vegetable on there.
Just to serve it a little bit warm before you're eating.
If you don't like it that way, don't do it. I'm going to
You can do it whatever way you want. No, and I'm just like, I just jumped right ahead to, I'm eating now.
And we love to make our homemade dressings because you really do avoid all of those preservatives and extra sodium that you don't need. So definitely consider making your own vinaigrette, but if you're totally in a pinch, consider some sort of low sodium vinaigrette from the grocery store.
Because you can do it on the go as you're heading off to your next thing.
It's
very good, and again, it's perfect for this time of year when it's warmer, or any time of year. And if you want to learn more about this recipe or any others, thank you.
You're welcome.
Go ahead and head to kjrh.com.